No, what is Larry on vacation or? Oh, he's right. Yeah, the distribution when we have to share. Filming the lab with the antenna?
Yep, I'm trying. Ooh, calm.